How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey in minutes. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So for anyone watching, yes, we've made a few hickey videos before. This is one of my main topics now on my channel. So we will be going over a ton of different tips and tricks to help people get rid of hickeys. The reason why I'm doing it is a very popular topic. A lot of my subscribers are wondering about this. So we'll go over a lot of different topics in videos to come, just different tips on how to get rid of it, how to hide it, how to give someone a hickey, anything related to hickey, we're gonna go over. Today, we're gonna talk about how to get rid of a hickey in minutes, and we're gonna talk about toothpaste, something we haven't talked about yet on my videos. So personally, I've never tried toothpaste on my hickeys. The reason being is because it just doesn't match, or it doesn't follow the rule that really is what hickeys are. So that didn't make sense. What I mean is that hickeys follow a rule. The rule is that they are a bruise, and in order to get rid of a bruise, you apply friction, or you create friction. When you add toothpaste, you're really not creating friction. I have done a little bit of research into the toothpaste, and some people do say that it does work. So I'm a little bit skeptical about it at first, but if it can help some people, then it may be able to help you. So I would try it out. Comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about the toothpaste. My best way of doing it, and I say this in all of my videos, is to simply create friction on your neck. That is the best way to do it. We'll talk a little bit more about toothpaste. I will actually try it in one of my videos. I'll get my wife to give me a hickey, and I will try applying toothpaste. And you guys can watch on camera me getting rid of the hickey with toothpaste, if it will work. That's actually a good idea for another video, is to actually get a hickey and actually show you guys removing it. Because in my video, I just tell you guys how to get rid of a hickey. I don't actually show my hickey and it getting removed instantly. So again, to get rid of a hickey in minutes, my go-to method is using a coin or a spoon and rubbing the hickey for roughly about 2 minutes. So in minutes it will be diminished because we're creating friction, we're applying it to the neck, and it will get rid of it. So that's my take on it. But again, this video is kind of talking about toothpaste. It is talking about how to get rid of a hickey in minutes. So that's what I would do. I'd rub a coin or a spoon, rub it for a couple of minutes. Your hickey will be gone. But getting back to the toothpaste, it has worked for some people, so I would not count it out. But I haven't tried it. I will try it in a future video to let you guys know. But for now, I can't really say if it's good or not. But again, if it has worked for other people, then it could work for you. So I would not discount it yet. But again, we will go over it. We will try it out in future videos. So that's how I would get rid of hickey in minutes. Hopefully I answered your question, subscriber. I know we kind of went through different kind of topics. We kind of messed around a little bit, but hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.